Hi, I'm Andre Hutchings. My wife Kim and I are owners and partners in Volo Mission, located just outside Dallas, Texas. We're a training company that specializes in vertical reference and longline training as well as aerial firefighting. We've been running the program now for about 12 years. Pilots from all around the world, all sorts of different aircraft, all sorts of different experiences.
As a professional pilot, you become comfortable with your skills and comfortable with the fact that you can hover. And then when you start looking out and down, all of that goes away, and it's like being a brand new pilot, a brand new student again.
My name's Neil Houston. I'm a helicopter pilot. I've got about 7,500 hours. The last few years I've been a contract pilot in the Middle East. Right now I'm here at Volo Mission. Feeling pretty good at the start of the course, but no matter how good you do here, they're able to make the tasks harder and harder, and in the process you get better and better.
Over the years that we've been teaching the program, 20 hours is what we've concluded is needed to take a pilot from 0 hours with no experience whatsoever, all the way through to the point where a pilot can actually go to a company, safely and confidently know that he can actually fly a line. If a chief pilot would say, okay, show me what you've got. A lot of information within that 20 hours, rigging, confined area work, precision construction, the ground crew training. Every pilot gets to experience the ground crew. We make sure everybody runs the ground crew as well. We start off with vertical reference, which is the foundation for longlining, building that longlining skill set. Vertical reference flying is where you're actually out the door looking aft and down. VR's extremely hard. You take someone from 0, they can barely hover that aircraft, so the transition is amazing. And so we teach that first, and then we go into basic longlining, open areas that we work in, progress into confined areas, different sorts of loads, barrels, nets, chokers, all very basic loads to begin with, and then we work into the into the tougher loads. The team at Volo Mission are all industry professionals, commercial grade, longline, external load utility pilots, firefighting pilots, all with thousands of hours and with a lot of years in the external load training industry. The level of instruction that we teach here at Volo Mission is based off real experience.
One of the things I feel that makes the course so good is the instruction from Andre. He's got a lot of real world experience, so he's not telling you to do anything that he hasn't done himself. So that carries a lot of weight when he tells you to do something, when he makes a suggestion on how to fly differently. If you do it, it usually works out pretty good because he's got a lot of skill and a lot of experience to back up his instruction. And that's one of the things I feel that makes the course so good.
Andre obviously has a lot of real-world experience, and he's really brought all of that to bear in designing the course. You can't believe that you're ever going to reach the level of proficiency that he has prepared you for. Slowly but surely, those skills start to come in, and it's a great feeling when things finally start to click. The way the exercises are designed, they really mimic what you'll be doing on commercial jobs and out in the field. And by the time you move through the course, you have that confidence that you can go out and put these skills to commercial use in the field.
At Volo Mission, we use the R-44 for all the training. It's a great training aircraft. It's economical. Instead of 10 hours in a A-Star, Jet Ranger, or a larger machine, you get 20 hours in an R-44. Exposure to the long line is what you're looking for when you're training. So really develops that skill set. You really got to be smooth and slow on the controls.
A lot of people will say, don't bother taking a course like this because when you get a utility job, you'll get that training from the operator. But the thing is, a lot of operators don't have the time to put you through this level of training. If you come here, you're going to really develop a solid foundation that is going to allow you to move through your career with a lot more confidence and a lot more efficiently.